Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Ankit. So in this session, we will discuss something new related to the React practical scenarios that we faced on our project development, or you can say the multiple times client said for the different requirement. So we will discuss. So in one of my project, the client also asked for we want to make element something component to draggable so that we can give the user facility to drag that particular component or element according to his needs or whatever suitable for them, so they can easily move or drag that particular component. So, so I created that one also. So I thought that I can share with you all that one because these type of the practical scenario actually that can be made for the specific client needs, right? So in this session we will discuss how we can make any component or element draggable, so we can easily drag our element. So, so for the ease of or the time taken process of creation of the sample project template, I have already created the application with using the command npx create white at the rate latest and then application name draggable element hyphen app. So you can give this command, it will configure entire React application for you. Okay, so I have created already one. So I have already opened in VS Code. So you can see here that already code has been here. So that it is a white, we have created using the white template. So here we have to first install the all the dependency which is inside in the package.json, React DOM, and further what is the default. What is the defined here? It is a default dependency for our application. So first we will install these. So we go into the terminal, new terminal, and we have to give command npm install. So it will install all the dependency which we have defined in the dependency. By default, we have not defined it. The already have at the time of creation of that particular project with using the create white template. In apart from the create React app, before we use uh, before deprecating it, create React app already do this task at the time of creation. That's why it takes time to create any particular project using create React app. It all not take much time in comparison to that create React app because it does not install the dependency. You have to install it. So that's why I am installing it. So after npm install, we will run the application. So here you can see that that is the default pages. That is app.tsx. So I have created it using the TypeScript syntaxes. Okay, so you can see that here that the 41 packages looking for funding. So already added 218 packages. So for the run, we do the npm run dev. So here you can see that the application is up and running. So we will create a component like we named it draggable element dot tsx. So for using this any draggable element, I also know that for that we will use one package, or you can say library. Want to share with you React hyphen draggable. Right, first one. So with using this React hyphen draggable, we can easily drag any particular component. You can see here. We can do easily drag and drop. Right. So we have to just inside that draggable, we have to define that particular element. So we can easily do this. Okay. So for first we need to install this package. So here I we can create a new terminal, and we will install the dependency of React Draggable. So first step is we have to install the React hyphen draggable. So now here the package.json will also updated. So you can say see here that under the dependency we have the React draggable install the latest version 4.4.6, right? So here, so second step is that we have to import that particular element, import import draggable from React draggable, right? So inside here, whatever we want to make any component draggable, so we have to make draggable and then particular element. Suppose we want to make a draggable element, so we can define here draggable div. Okay, so we have to export is export default draggable element, right? So inside the aptsx, I will remove everything. Okay, I will call that draggable element. So here you can see that that is a draggable div, right? So if you over the cursor and click on the left button and drag the mouse, you can see, and you can drop also, right? So here you can define the particular style for it if you want. So equal to I am giving the inline CSS for it. So I'm defining the background color width. Suppose I have given the 400 pixel and height given the 500 pixel. So you can see here that is a draggable element. Okay, so you can create any element, right? Suppose you want to create multiple element, right? So you have to define the different. So again, you have to define. So I have created already one, so we can use that one also. So for demoing purpose, I am using this way. Suppose I'm copying it. Now I am giving the paragraph. So here you can so and any particular that is a paragraph, that is a div. Okay, so any want to suppose I want to drag the heading. So here I have defined the h1 tag or any level of you want. Uh, Here I have defined blue. So here you can see draggable h1. So you can see we can uh, we can drag all three element here. So you can create also custom element and you can drag them as well. So in the further lesson, I will give you demo to create a further pop-up and do the drag and drop over there using this library, right? So you can this also. One thing, if what happened if you apply this on this element, span. So here you can here the span will not work over there. So that is you can say that it looks like as a static element. So you cannot apply this on the static span element. Okay, so that is the use of the React draggable library that we can use in our project to create draggable any custom component as well. So, so that's it for this session. Eh, If you like this type of video and you want to learn more without any cost, so please subscribe my channel and so that you get notification for this new this kind of videos to you. So if please like and share my channel to your friend group so that they can also get the benefit of these type of free tutorial video series. So that's it for today. We will meet in the next video. So, Jai